What is up guys, Standard this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop sponsored ads on Facebook. First, you need to head over to your Facebook with signing up or logging in. And after signing up or logging in, on the right side, you will see your profile icon. Click on this and then click on settings and privacy. Now, after coming to the settings and privacy section, you need to click on settings again. And here on the left side, you can see the account center. From there, you need to click on add preferences. And when you click on add preferences, a new window will appear. Now click on add preferences again here. And after that, you can see advertisers you saw ads from. So from here, you can stop your sponsored ads. So let's say I don't want, I'll just see all the advertisers that are showing me ads. And let's say I don't want this one. I'll just click on it once and then you can see the option to hide ads. Click on this and then you will not see any more ads from this advertiser. So this is how you can stop sponsored ads on Facebook. That was all for this tutorial, everyone. Thank you for watching.